Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off, to another adventure. As you can see, we're somewhere where there's a lot of water and a lot of trees. And here's clickbait right here, looking pretty on the outside, absorbing all the natural scenery, the tree, the sky, again, and the water. And when you have such nice views, my sarcastic sound, you can glamp here and check it out. We are here at the Moonshine Resorts and they offer glamping tents. So tonight we booked a tent and let's go check it out for a tour, quick tour. Come on in guys. Oh man. And this is it guys. So you got a bed, you got some lights, you got a table, all our junk, and then you got a huge ass AC. And I would not stay here if it wasn't for this AC, because if it was hot and I'm in here sleeping, I would be slowly roasted into very nice human meat. I am high in protein and low in fat, guys. If you guys are, what did you call it? Cannibal enthusiast. But aside from this tent, check it out. Oh, we also have our own bathroom. Oh, kind of inconvenient though. You just don't want to walk around naked because people can like see you here. And let's go check out our bathroom, our private bathroom. There is no AC here, so it's super humid. You do have a fan to make you feel better. You got a pretty clean toilet. Oh, what the hell? With nature, when you're in nature, there's a company. At least they have TP right here. Check it out, this mirror. What's up, guys? And they got this very stylish sink, this vanity set that moves. Oh, and they got a shower with a green backdrop. So green backdrop for shower, purple backdrop for relieving yourself. And you guys might be wondering, how do you lock our tent? With the lock. And there you go. So the reason why we booked this place is obviously not for the scenery, but it's because tomorrow Clickbait and I will be going to Koh Tao, and we had to take a boat at the pier here in Chumphon. And this place is actually one of the closest resorts, and they offer a free ride to the pier. So tomorrow in the morning, we gotta wake up at 5 and then go catch the boat at 6. So that's why we booked it here. And also for reference, this place was about 700 baht a night, which comes out to like 22 bucks. So that's why we booked it here. So yeah, a super quick video because it's a super small room. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.